1 in 5 young people can't find a job, the property market is teetering on the edge, and unlike the rest of the world, China has deflation, which is terrible for growth.
Trading is slowing down, and people were saving their cash, saving their money, rather than going out to buy things, to have fun.
Hopes the economy would roar back to life after China lifted its extreme COVID controls late last year have been dashed, and with it the prospect of a financial shot in the arm for the rest of the world.
You have an economy that is no longer growing as much as it was, a government who's much more strapped for cash.
Key to China's woes is its enormous property sector, worth around a quarter of GDP by some estimates. A deepening slump has battered real estate giant Country Garden, which this week posted a record half-year loss and warned it could default on its debt. And shares in its rival Evergrande fell almost 80% when it resumed trading in Hong Kong after a 17-month halt.
For Australia, I believe that people will be asking whether the downturn in Chinese property market will affect commodity demand.
There's been a number of high-profile visits to China. Foreign Secretary James Cleverly became the first senior British minister to visit the country in 5 years. And the US Commerce Secretary Gina Raimondo has just spent 4 days there trying to revive frosty relations.
The US-Chinese economic relationship is large, vibrant and dynamic, and that benefits both of our countries and economies, and that benefits the world.
The signs of weakness are concerning, but China's economy is still forecast to grow by about 5% this year. That's a lot of money for countries like Australia to tap into, but it's a challenging environment for businesses to navigate.
Right now, the investment environment in China is really deteriorating for foreign firms.
But at the same time, many countries started to realize that, a complete decoupling is really not a solution.
And the uncertainty surrounding China's sputtering economy will continue to be felt around the world. Kathleen Coldwood, ABC News, Taipei.